Hi, I'm Matt. I'm the owner of Wood Studio. I started this company about 6 years ago. What we do here is architectural interiors, custom kitchens, and fine furniture on occasion. I think it's important to document the process of what happens between the time where you give us a go-ahead to do a project and the time we show up with the cabinets or whatever it is at your front doorstep. Project begins generally with a phone call. I'm there to make the idea in their head into reality. And it's just a matter of going on site, confirming dimensions, producing shop drawings, more descriptive illustrations of what it is that the architect had already put there in just like a few lines. I go and I show the joinery, I go and show the hardware. Once the set of drawing is approved, it hits the shop floor. That for me is kind of when the fun starts. We have all our material in stock in the back of the shop. We go through the phase of breakout. So we're taking material like sheet good material and we're cutting it to size. It then gets translated into a work list for the CNC to cut out, and the CNC will be cutting out most of the parts on the project. Parts will be cut and drilled for various hardware, adjustable shelf pins, anything that requires any special attention, any type of routing or any kind of grooves that need to be cut, any molding or anything that needs to be done. Generally, the CNC handles that, so the parts come off of it, and if they're interior parts, they'll get put through our edge bander, which glues and flush trims an edge to the panel to cover the core material. I have no problem sleeping at night, knowing that those edges will be glued on properly. After that, we would sand everything down to 220, break all our edges, have all our parts labeled, accounted for, matching on the cut list, matching on the drawing. They'll go into finishing. Finishing is another whole process in itself. We do all finishing in-house. It's going to get 2 or 3 coats of primer. One thing that sets Wood Studio apart from most other companies is we have the equipment that you're going to see in larger shops, but we're going to be able to do it on a more one-to-one personal basis. The communication is always going to be me. You're going to see me on the install, you're going to see me on the first day that we meet at your house or on site, and I'm going to be there through the whole process. Everything is built in-house. There isn't a single component other than hardware that is built out of house. It maintains the workmanship and the quality that I'm looking for. That is the brief description of what the process looks like. Thanks for watching. I really hope that this video gave you some insight into what goes on here in the shop. And if you would like to work together possibly, check out the website woodstudio.ca, follow me on Instagram, and I hope to hear from you soon.